So the features that we have in our business will give you the benefits. Stop being cute, start being a little bit more direct with your call to actions. When I say call to action, it doesn't have to be selling all the time. Comment below is a call to action. Subscribe now is a call to action. Okay? Now, the trick for email marketing, again, is in the headline. All you're doing is making a mental impression in someone's mind in regards to a certain problem that you solve. So I'm a strong believer in using personal names. Anything that comes across commercial and corporate, people would just shut it down. So for those of you who are thinking, oh, we need a new logo, no, you don't need a new logo. You need to do content at scale. Now, I want to talk about the pinnacle of all marketing activities. Content is labor intensive. You need to do it at scale. You can't just do one video and call it a day. But the best SEO you can do is regular content on a weekly, daily, fortnightly basis.
But you've given me the phrasing
and just license.
the clarity of words around.
I'm so glad that you've actually got that in you now. Mate, you've come a long way, you know, it's just 24 hours ago, you're still, you know, but now you're writing, we've run a marathon, well done.